Just like it happens every year, the leaks surrounding the new Google Pixel devices are ramping up the closer we get to the Google I/O event date, which is set to take place on May 10th this year. However, one Pixel device that is not rumored to be announced at I/O, but that we are still getting a steady amount of leaked information on, is the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. The latest leak to make the rounds arrives via a tweet from prominent leaker Ice Universe, whose latest report claims that the upcoming Google Pixel 8 Pro is set to feature a Samsung-made camera sensor that, should the rumors be true, will be the biggest sensor ever seen on a Pixel device. The new sensor is expected to be a significant improvement from the current generation Pixel cameras, which already offer some of the best image quality on the market. The new sensor is expected to be close to a 1 sensor, 1 first 12 specifically, which is significantly larger than the current 1 first 31 sensor found in the Pixel 7 Pro. This larger sensor should allow for more light to be captured, resulting in better low-light performance and improved dynamic range. The ISOCELL GN2 camera sensor can also produce 100 megapixels images using a mosaic algorithm and record 8K at 30, 4K at 120, and full HD videos at 480 FPS. It features dual Pixel Pro autofocus for quick, reliable, and accurate focusing and staggered HDR, which uses 24% less power than regular HDR and can retain details in highlights and shadows. Google has been using Samsung's camera sensors, display panels, modems, and other electronic components since the launch of the Pixel 6 series and will continue to do so with its next-generation Pixel smartphones. With the ISOCELL GN2 camera sensor, Google's Pixel 8 Pro will be using a bigger camera sensor than Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra, further positioning itself as a top contender in the smartphone camera market. While almost all smartphone brands except Samsung are moving closer to a 1-inch camera sensor on their flagship smartphones, Google's choice to go with the ISOCELL GN2 camera sensor showcases their commitment to providing top-of-the-line camera technology to their customers. The Pixel 8 Pro is set to be an exciting addition to the Pixel series and a promising contender in the flagship smartphone market. No further details were offered in regards to this leak other than the sensor model. However, this has been enough to spark the interest of many smartphone photography enthusiasts that are already looking for that next-level camera. Should the Pixel 8 Pro ship with this more advanced sensor, does that open up the possibility for a pro mode in the Google Camera app? Or will Google continue to rely on their computational photography prowess, but use this larger sensor to improve upon it? There are so many questions that come to mind that we will most likely not get the answers to until Google I/O in a couple of weeks. So far, the leaks have revealed that the Pixel 8 series may come with rounded corners and have slimmer bezels than the Pixel 7 series, as well as a fairly standard 6.7 display on the Pixel 8 Pro, but a significantly smaller 6.2 display on the non-Pro variant. It remains to be seen if there will be any more pleasant surprises surrounding the Pixel 8 series from here until then. So how do you like this new camera sensor for upcoming Pixel 8 lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.